Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BAA.FINANCE token. This token has a few different names. They call it the black sheep leader, Baba Black Sheep, all sorts of different names for this project. Ticker symbol is BAA, but the official name looks like it's BAA.FINANCE. And this token here is live for pre-sale on their webpage. It's one of those initial coin offerings. They have a full audit that I found here. They have a white paper. They're only in stage 2 out of 7 on their pre-sale right now. But a lot of these ICOs, these pre-sales on their web pages that these tokens have, can be pretty sketchy, and a lot of people are worried, that these could be potential scams and things like that. So in this video, we're going to talk about the information about what this project is, but we're also going to go over the audit, and we're going to look for warning signs of how this project could potentially be a scam. It could potentially, there might be red flags and things that you should be concerned about before even thinking about getting this token. And we're going to go over all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, BAA.FINANCE. It says they have a white paper. When I clicked on it, it just takes me right back to the page. So their white paper is not available. So they've raised a decent amount of money, it looks like. They are in stage 2, and it's one of those pre-sales where the price increases in every stage. So if you get in like stage 1, by the time it gets listed after stage 7, it'll be a price increase of 164%, it says. And so their target for this, their final target, it says, is $1 million, and for this stage is $100,000. It's basically looks like 9 days until the next stage. You can buy the token with BNB, BUSD, USDT, and more, maybe cards or something like that. It says they're going to get listed on PancakeSwap because it's a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. They also claim to be being listed on Bitmart, KuCoin, MEXC Global. I'm not sure if they actually are, but that's what it claims there. I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there if you're looking for an MEXC account. They show you how to connect your wallet. There's a referral program, how to claim. They have a full audit by Solid Proof. Now here's the thing, on their page it says we have an audit by Solid Proof, and when I tried to click on it, it took me nowhere. So it says all over Solid Proof, and every time I click on it, it takes me nowhere. So what I had to do basically to find the audit was to go over to Solid Proof, go into the app section on Solid Proof, and then I searched BAA, and hit the search, and it popped up, and I found their audit. And guess what? It is not at all a perfect audit, and we're going to go over that in a second here. So it says, welcome to the dawn of the BAA token, an innovative and exciting digital asset inspired by the world-famous nursery rhyme Baba Black Sheep. They're partners with Dex Tools, Pink Sale. I don't know if they had a Pink Sale pre-sale. They might have. It's kind of strange that they have a Pink Sale pre-sale, but then they have a pre-sale on their page. Maybe they're doing both, or maybe they had one. I'm not sure, but that's not important. What we're going to do is check over that audit in a second here. So BAA.FINANCE is a new global meme coin with the ticker BAA that is now in the initial pre-sale stage, BAA.FINANCE is not messing around and aims to achieve a position in the top 7 market capitalization among meme coins by launching a powerful viral marketing campaign to become a global meme coin. It says check out our white paper for more, but when I click on it, it doesn't work for some reason. And then, so yeah, they have the phase 1 sold out. They said they sold $50,000 worth of tokens. Right now they're on phase 2 for $100,000 worth of tokens, and then it increases. Stage 3, they're trying to sell $150,000 worth of tokens. You get the idea. It goes all the way to phase 7. Tokenomics, BEP20 token, how it's split up. 50% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 20% staking, 10% marketing and BD, 10% community rewards and airdrops, 5% DEXs, 5% central exchanges. It says if you do get this token later on off PancakeSwap, there's 0% taxes, 18 decimal places. They do have the contract address in the tokenomics, so you could also take that contract address and plunk that into auditing sites like Solid Proof, where it has the audit. So that's good that they have the contract address right there for you. Sometimes you got to really search for it on these pages. So we'll go over their roadmap here, and then we'll check the audit. So on the roadmap, it says they're starting with team formation and project conception, white paper and project documentation release, smart contract development, creating social profile, visual design of the project, website launch. The next phase, audit by Solid Proof, announcements, pre-sale starts, influencers, callers, KOLs, pre-sale marketing campaign, crypto data platforms, listings, airdrops, giveaways and surprises, community engagement, staking platform. Q2 this year, pre-sale will be finished and claim, then token listing, release of the staking platform, central exchange listings, more marketing, airdrops, giveaways, surprises, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, ads everywhere. Last phase, Q3, many major exchange listings, exclusive exchange marketing, NFT collection launch, more marketing, media presence, and continued growth, continued market cap. So let's skip over now to their audit. Now their audit is by Proof, and let me tell you, there is some warnings on here. So, oh, I'm on the wrong page. There it is right there. Okay, so they have 4 issues in total here. So it says they don't have critical issues, no high and no medium issues, 2 low issues, 1 optimization issue, and 1 informational issue. So it says here, let's see here. So the good things are on here. It says no critical issues found. It says contract owner cannot mint. Contract owner cannot blacklist addresses. Contract owner cannot set high fees. Contract cannot be locked. Contract cannot be burned, and ownership is renounced. So those are the good things on there. So it says here that these issues are still pending also. They haven't been fixed. And here's the weird thing is that a lot of these issues I see, they always have a couple low issues, informational, optimization. They're very similar to a lot of these other projects that are in ICOs, pre-sales on their web pages. They all seem to have similar issues, or most of them have similar issues. And I'm not sure if they're by the same people who are just making these pre-sales, or because their team is not doxed, so that's a huge red. Not that I could see anywhere. I mean, if they are doxed, they should make it more obvious. And yeah, they have frequently asked questions. It doesn't say anything about team being doxed, anything in there. I just don't see it anywhere. So I don't believe that they are doxed anywhere. So that's a big red flag there. So yeah, I'm going to put up their issues right here anyways. There's 1 issue. It says local variables shadowing local, rename the local variables, the shadow another component. That one's pending. Missing 0 address validation. So that one's pending as well. There's a whole bunch of functions that are not used, dead codes, and public functions that could be declared external functions. Those are all warnings there too. So there's 4 issues right now that are just pending. They're not fixed. So definitely be aware of that. Definitely be aware that their team is not doxed and KYC'd that I could find anywhere. And yeah, just be wary of any token that has a lot of warnings on their audit and their team is not doxed. So I would definitely take this with a grain of salt, but I'm not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Now, I'm also going to be reviewing a few other of these pre-sales today that are ICOs on their own webpage. I posted a couple yesterday. I posted one this morning about 99 Bitcoin. Yesterday, I posted one called Burrow. And there's another one. There's a bunch of them. Octo something. There's a whole bunch of them that are just came out. Brand new ICOs on their webpage. And I'm reviewing a lot of audits. So if you want to see these ICOs and what I went over with the project and their audit, hit that subscribe button. Check out the videos from today, yesterday, and tomorrow. And yeah, like this video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.